But said the whole canon. Certain facts must be told. Bawumia, Simfo na ni nyanom no, omo anto ama no.
Omo anto ama no, true.
Kremufo na so a omo de no so omo anto ama no. Enti aye assembly wo ho. What I say. And all these things we kept talking about it.
What can I say kremufo no nto ma no?
O interview ha. Metia. The catch that was say. Party be e kwa akansi, na so be e kwa akansi a you play to your strength.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. I remember that day. I remember that day.
Na NPP. Ohwe abakosam ne baby e tuwa be di nkunim bia baby a
akamfo na wo ho.
Ene Christopher.
Exactly. You said it. Okay.
Na mimi Subin constituency. 170 polling stations. Emu 18 and this phone winning. Maybe when you go no e amanfrafo ene nkremufo ne omo na tete ho.
Yeah, what can I remember? I remember.
Oh, he candidate will appeal to sa wo no. We say
base no strength no.
Yeah. Bono East. Ni na akọ.
Yeah.
Bono ni one seat pe. Central region. Central region ekọ.
Western region. I am shocked Western region. I am shocked.
There be SAS consamo bo yin eden. Sa region eden.
I can't dominated region.
I can't show Christian.
I can't show Christian dominated region.
Abusunya Ghana yato yaba no awie yehu ye mampeni afi 2025 obaba bedi anim isi declare mampeni dada John Dramani Mahama as Sabredi ono na ye president elect na after say ye koto abano awie ye no obia ehunu smoothness level as say wugina obia hu bebi odino obia hu sene obeto na niema esi afa womo womo boabo mo afi abanwuma makofi eboa womo so eboa mo afifie ababehye abanwuma mu no so womo guso amo so eye ahoboa na after say wenum nyina ekoso no na NPP amanyoko na womo na edi encho anase womo na edi enkuguo ewo abato no mu no womo afirase eye womo corrections omo toto niema omo hwe nienti a enam so ema abai omkokoto ye omantimi endimu enkunim wei na oyerepafo agbapri subini MP edin a ojeso ene Eugene Boachi enim na wo kasa na o kire se NPP no abra womkoye primaries no womo amfa tumi no amma nipa NPP fo epe ifise Ghana ha no honorable kire se ye hwa a womo a etu abadodo mu pa edema NPP party no eye Christopher ene asantefo enye sabe yenwanu mu nkramofo ene to aba no edema NPP wo kira NDC fo mum ena amanframafrafo no eto aba edema enu nti se yehwe papa Bawumia wugina de ma NPP na wonu anyi kromfo akra nka beka se we die okrom petedi unam a nkebi ka no wo mumpo anto aba no ama wo mu 40% no munya ni posi yehwa na ne fa kase na efi Asante region no na eboa wo mu se yehwe bibio munya MPs no so efi ya ekoye Ashanti ene Eastern we kire se eye Christopher ene wo mo ye Asantefo no na eto aba no ye edema NPP enu nti se NPP ede ye mampenin abede eche Dr. Muhammad Bawumia ebegina ye se wo no na enye flag bearer no eno ka ho bi na ama NPP etimi edi enkuguo ewa abaye wo mkokoto ye mi nka nsem emfa nhye honorable ano enimi nyina nko ne nkotie se ne honorable eka ne nsem na ansa na ebekwa akotie no me kai wo se obefa Dr. Abednego contact ewo screen no ase afiwe se ba ne sunsumu nsem sunsumu nyarewa ne how bia how no Fred Doctor na enene entwetwe enkomo ewo ho aha aye too much gb subscribe my page no na mi adoma se ne be na upload bia ba onsa ebetinya ka busu me nkotie se ne honorable ede ensem no etu dwafa.
What is the future of Bawumia in NPP Washa? Because some say that and this mama a year omo northern part no ekwan and omo try Bawumia omo try no we lose. So someone saying that we told you so on to me yeah it's I mean what do you think will be the future of Bawumia in the NPP?
I think say so no be kasa no say
to consider right
obako ye introspection but say the whole canon certain facts must be told. Bawumia Simfo na ni nyanom no omo anto ama no
true.
Kremufo na so a omo de no so omo anto ama enti aye assembly wo ho what I say and all these things we kept talking about it.
What can I say kremufo no nto ma no
o interview ha metia the catch that was say party be e kwa akansi na so be e kwa akansi a you play to your strength.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. I remember that day. I remember that
na
day.
NPP Ohwe abakosem ne baby etu abedi nkunim bia baby a
akamfo na wo ho.
Any a Christopher.
Exactly. You said it. Okay.
Now mimi Subin constituency. 170 polling stations. Emu 18 and this phone winning. Even when you have a corner, a manfra for an increment for them. I'm tete ho. We can
yeah. Okay. I remember.
Oh, he candidate we appeal to sa wo. Hono. We say
base and was strengthened.
Yeah. Bono East. Ni na akọ.
Yeah.
Bono in one seat pe. Central region. Central region.
Western region. I am shocked. Western region. I am shocked.
There be SAS region.
I can't dominated region.
I can't show Christian.
I can't show Christian dominated regions.
Any new frame in Yapa.
I can't show Christian dominated regions.
Zone for no to Bawumia. Northern region. 5 northern region to Bawumia. Yes.
Yeah, be.
But we are one doing as you lose your seats in.
Yeah.
Now, so can it be emotional? You know, penta for some, no pay for and come for some. No, it's all about that. Listen, I echo. Obia person presented a material be winning power. It's not because whatever about the 5 northern regions. Shabuno East. Oh, figures now.
Not readily. Not readily available.
I'm ready. Because
platform so. Many the member of parliament for Subin constituency and they didn't come on. Honorable Jimbochi entry, right? Deputy Minister for works in housing. Now we are trying to establish a course under the NPP in this year's election. It's or checking results with your mommy, but making the point about Dr. Mahmoud
Upper West, NDC winning all the 11 constituencies.
Okay.
Upper East, winning all the 15.
On the 15 constituencies.
All 9 in winning.
Volta
18 in winning. Bono East in 1.
That's Gidomako City, no?
Yes.
Bono
winning 11 out of 12.
Wow.
I have 4. I'm for 16. I'm for 5 out of 6. Savannah, I'm for 16. According to Omrodos on the about. Greater Accra, I'm for 30 out of 34. Central, 18. Western, 15 out of 17.
Out of 17.
Western, I'm for 8
out of 9.
Eastern, I'm for 10 out of 33. Northeast, I'm for 3 out of 6. Ashanti, I'm for 7 out of 47. Northern, I'm for 12 out of 18. It will share as my mechanic. Ya ho de nyina o ba bia akanfo any a Christopher.
Right.
And usha a ho de nyina elusu.
Yeah, mo lusu.
It is one of the kind. E wo ba na is on be kan ho asem. Say we want make kan ha phrase.
I see.
Number one for the nyina o de nyina ate. And now o kan the best you na wo kan. Go with the figures. Say they are two na wi. Abobo was Eugene Boachi entry, member of parliament for Subin, justified in what he told us to do.
So Bawumia was a wrong choice going into this.
I'm not saying
no, but so okay, because if you're talking about Akan and Christian dominated, then you're making the point that Bawumia was a wrong choice.
Strength,
right? Party strength
is derived from these places.
Exactly.
No. We're going to try Dr. Bawumia, who was a Muslim and not man.
Right.
He had number. He didn't buy no. As far as I can't say, I want the one. Impact and I say
impact one so meaning that you failed at getting the right candidate to lead the NPP.
I know Bawumia's election was the party's election.
Right.
Party for the control. But some of us we said this and said we must be careful in the selection of our flag bearer.
Right.
Because yes, we will be a holding free. It may be Subi quite example, the Subi 170. Maybe I can afford to go in a trouble winning. No sweat. Asafo edum proper no yami wini wonyina amukom afo kwanta me wini wonyina afwan but once we go be a settlers Muslims were on tutia. Now I don't think the Bawumia's selection or election was going to change anything.
I see
what I say because obi o NDC ni ya Bawumia to be sabe to NPP
it's Bawumia being the not nano e can be the result we are sir.
There
be a question maybe sir.
There be say results
based on the result no
results actually say the party has failed. If the party has failed, it's only Bawumia because Bawumia is the only person who contested on all the tickets. On all the NPC will be brave loose.
I see.
Yes.
I see. It's what do you think should be the future of Bawumia going forward? Should the party present him for the second time? And Nasser probably get Nyawoka say a Christian dominated candidate, man.
No, it's not for me to say.
No, but it's for you to say you're a bold man. You have made a proposition.
I said Bawumia are a candidate.
Right.
Well, lose election.
Right.
I know what losing an election means. It's not fair, but I stand here and speak for him.
Okay.
I see a man at time no no reflecting. Lubusan say, is he going to have a second goal or a second bite at the cherry?
Based on what has happened.
Then we are here, we are game. But all we intended because you know man is going the campaign.
Right.
What I say, on the campaign. They say, we're ready to overstand could be a man of crime. And I am man of crime, the party for the bachelor. But I just said the attributes are indigenous. So he was going to bring the northern people on board because 2020 votes. So yeah, the idea he was going to bring the Muslims on board. No, I said, no, amen. Well, the figures are now here for all of us to see and read. What I say, but that has nothing to do with whether he's coming back or he's not coming back. And
Intebusia say, and honorable Eddie and Samuel Ababetuja Afa, maybe this one so, Ebiana or Wajin Chibi or honorable and Samna was sharing. When I walk on the say no, and I abuso air chesses, Nipa or Shia, na and non chess will be a yarn on the share man penny that John Jakum Kufua, while Mabakupe and Obedim Kunim, or Kobai, a sign by beam, and man penny and Necrampogana Fatun Swabby, or no so Kobai, a sign by beam, your man penny as I say what is always from another Danko Kufado, or no so echo in prentice and press us all, and son a gunner for urging at some Atu Abano, Ediamano, and it is about Bawumia Eddie Kayako, that's on putting first time with me 40% at least. Why ye be kakra and not chess be doing more? Say NPP for no epa, the neighbor bit me. As I be so air chess, so call ya could go to idea. One more chess, almost torn no NPP for and a gunner for Anto. And it is almost signed in the choir. And ya dear NPP everything couldn't when we are venture. Echo so after say NPP for AD in Google Meso. So be your comments over video as say Ediaman. Now subscribe to my page, no, too much GH. A ya kind of fiber on the account, so upload the bar. On Sabit Miaka, all the social media handles, so kowa, too much GH, a yakai, so be like it. No, I share also a dear mammy, macra.